channel. My name is Oshin and I'm not a financial advisor. My first video, I said I was going to engage you guys in how to earn, invest, and obviously grow your money. And I had a lot of content already prepared that I was going to share with you guys. But then I feel there's an awesome opportunity here that I don't want you guys to miss. And thus today I'm going to be talking about how to invest in the US stock exchange. Now there are various apps that enable you to do that, and I'm going to be mentioning some of them and focusing in on one particular one. You have the Bamboo app, you have the Chaka, you have the Trading 212, you have the eToro. But for me, I generally prefer the Bamboo app. Why? Because it's simple and easy to use. It has a lovely design, lovely interface, quite interactive, and you get everything you want on the go. Now, the awesome opportunity I spoke about is this. A couple of weeks back, the Tesla stock or the Tesla company and Apple company did a stock split. I'll be sharing more videos with you in the next few days to tell you exactly what the stock split means for both companies. Again, I'll be showing you how to go about selecting and picking your stocks rightly. But briefly, I'm going to be telling you something. You should look out for three things when buying any stock. One, the quality of the management team. Two, how the company innovates. It must be an innovative company. For example, the likes of your Apple and your Tesla stock. Three, the company must have excellent or great balance sheet. In essence, whatever the company has, which is its assets, must be greater than its liabilities, right? So things like that will be discussed further in other videos. Okay guys, moving on. So this is currently the Bamboo's website, and so we'll be taking a glance of what the Bamboo app actually has to offer. Firstly, the Bamboo app is available on the App Store and the Google Play Store. So if you use an Apple phone or you use an Android phone, the app is available on both platforms. Now, it gives you the opportunity to actually invest both in the US stock market and the Nigerian stock markets. Currently, there are no Nigerian stocks on the Bamboo app. We only have US stocks listed on the Bamboo app. Now, there's a good thing about the Bamboo app also. You have only companies with a minimum market cap of $1 billion. Now, what does that mean? It means that the Bamboo app does not include penny stocks. Now, penny stocks are risky, penny stocks are dangerous, and I do not advise anyone to invest in penny stocks. Generally, penny stocks are stocks that have market cap less than $1 billion and also have their shares selling for less than $5 for a stock. So let's move on now. The Bamboo app obviously gives you the opportunity to invest your funds in Naira and in dollars, and you get your value in your wallet almost instantly. About a few weeks ago, they launched the instant deposit, where you are charged an extra fee to actually have your funds in your wallet instantly. There's a time duration for that, and I'm sure we'll see that. Now, obviously, with the Bamboo app also, you can track your stocks over time, at every week, every month, every quarter, every year, and I think it goes up to 5 years tracking. You could track all of that, and you have amazing companies listed in the Bamboo app. You have the HP, you have Facebook, you have Apple, the FAANG Stocks guys, you have Google, you have Tesla, you have Amazon, you have Berkshire Hathaway, you have Microsoft, you have Square, you have Twitter. All of these guys are actually listed on the Bamboo app. Again, your funds are safe. You need to understand that. Bank level security on point, protected by NG and US SEC. So you are fine, you're covered. This is not a Ponzi scheme. This is not some guys that set up the app just to defraud people. No, they are actually regulated, so your funds are safe. Again, like I said, you could download the app whether you use an iOS or use an Android phone. Now, let's move on and check out what the fees are on the Bamboo app. So we click on fees, and we see here. Now, for every deposit that you make, you are actually charged a 1.4% on top of that. So for every amount you make, just multiply that amount by 1.4%, and that's going to be the amount you're going to be paying as extra fees on top of whatever amount that you are actually paying. Now, they also state here clearly that it will not exceed 2,000 naira. Again, you can make a direct transfer from your account to the Bamboo account. Now that way you are charged a flat rate of 150 naira regardless of the amount being deposited. Now in some cases this might actually be cheaper. Now point 3, if you are using the US card, charges with USD card are 2.9%. So whatever you are making with your whatever payment you are making with your US card, simply multiply that by 2.9. That gives you a rough estimate of how much fees you will be paying. Now this is the instant deposit that they launched just a few weeks ago. Now there is an additional fee for the instant deposit, which is 0.1% on instant deposits with a minimum fee of $1 and a maximum fee of $10. That's simple. So you could always do that multiplication. Now what does this actually give you? This gives you an opportunity to make deposits into your Bamboo wallet and use those funds instantly. No delays, because the normal wait period when you make transfers is 1 to 2 days. That's 24 to 48 hours before the funds are actually reflected in your Bamboo wallet. That's the advantage of using the instant deposit. Again, you are charged trade fee. Now trade fee simply means whenever you buy a share or you sell a share, you get charged 1.5% commission on every buy or sell. But guess what, guys? Just for you guys, my awesome guys, right? I'm trying to work on something with Bamboo, and that entails actually having a charge of 1% commission for you guys. I'm going to give you guys more update on that very, very soon. Now, withdrawal fees also applies. If you deposit from a Naira Master card, you can only withdraw to a Naira account. Now, what does that mean? If you have been making deposits to your Bamboo wallet using your Naira MasterCard, you are going to have to make withdrawals to a Naira account, and that will cost you a withdrawal fee of 45 Naira. That's simple, that's small, right? Again, if you are making deposits, from your USD bank account and you want to make a withdrawal to your USD bank account, that will cost you $45. Now, talking about taxes, there is a 30% withholding tax on dividends, which are mandatory tax taken by the US government. What does that mean? There are some companies that pay out dividends to their shareholders. You have companies that pay dividends every month, every quarter. Now, this is all about the Bamboo app majorly. The major thing you need to concern yourself with are the fees and charges when you use their service. So right now, we'll be looking at what the Bamboo app actually looks like on my phone. Okay guys, so we are now going to be looking at what the Bamboo app looks like on my phone. So obviously I'm using an Android phone, as you can see, and if you don't have the Bamboo app already installed on your phone, you could just go to the Google Play Store and simply search for Bamboo Invest, and then you see it there. It's the first one, but obviously it's already installed on my phone. So I just click on the open. It's also safe and secure. You can see it's passworded. I could either use the PIN or my fingerprint, or in this case I'll just use my fingerprint. So we see in this account currently there is $9,998 currently on this account. Okay, $10,000 now as I refreshed. We also see here that today this portfolio is up 254.22 right there, and we see a buying power of $1,000 thereabout. Now we see directly beneath that you could actually deposit into your Bamboo wallet, and you see in this portfolio you have Apple stock, Square, and Tesla stock. Now for each of the stocks that you own, you could actually click on it to see what the graph looks like. Now this is the chart I was talking about. You could view today's chart where it shows you how much each cost was and at a certain time. You could view the weekly chart, the monthly chart, the quarterly chart, or 1 year chart. Now you see the progression here. This is for Apple stock. Again, You see the ownership here, how many shares you own of this stock. This is 2.17 thereabouts. How much those 2.17 shares are valued at currently. The average cost, which is the average cost that you've used in buying all of those shares. Portfolio diversity shows you or tells you how much this stock makes of your portfolio. How many percent of this stock comprises of makes up your portfolio. Basically, that's it. And we see the total return. You also see on each stock analyst ratings. Now, in the case of Apple, you see here it has been rated by 37 analysts. 59% are actually saying this stock is a buy. 32% are saying you should hold, and 8% are saying you should sell. Now, basically, sell means sell of the stock. Hold means do not add to it, do not buy more, do not sell. Just hold on to what you have. And buy obviously means buy as many more as you can as at that point in time. You also see the stats of the company here. It tells you how many shares, its volume, its market cap. We see over here that Apple company has a market cap of about 2.1 trillion with the T. $2.1 trillion market cap. We also see the 52-week high, and we see the 52-week low at 203.32, which means about 52 weeks ago, one Apple stock was valued at $203.32. We also see its earnings here. Now, its earnings tells us or shows us if a particular stock beats its projected or expected earnings per share. Now, in this case, we see Apple has actually beaten its expected earnings per share in the last 4 quarters. That's quarter 2, quarter 1, quarter 4 of 2019, and quarter 3 of 2019. So you see all of this information for each stock. If you click on Tesla, you see the same thing. So this, we see here that a share of Tesla is currently valued at $2,220.91. And we see here the number of shares in this portfolio. We see the total cost in this portfolio, and we see the average cost here of $1,042.33. And it makes up, the Tesla stock makes up 76.06% of this portfolio. And we see the ratings. So similar to the Apple stock when we looked at that's there. You also see future themes. They've done so well in categorizing the sectors for each of the stock. You see HALA stocks, you see oil and gas stock, real estate, inverse, dividend stock, all the stocks there. Most popular stocks, technology stocks, healthcare, transportation, retail. You see all of that there. Then you also see top movers. Now the top movers changes every day. It lets you know the top gainers and the top losers. We see here, we can see these are the top gainers, and the top losers are what? They are itemized right after that, and they are in red. Those are the top losers. You also see choice of the month. Every month, Bamboo puts one stock underneath this choice of the month. So I think last month was Square. Before that, I think it was Apple. So you also have featured stock here. Also, you see them here: Amazon, Walt Disney, Facebook, Alphabet, Microsoft. Again, you have recent news. So this app is actually loaded with a lot of stuff. Now, you also have a watch list here. If you click on that, now the watch list simply shows you which stocks you have marked and you want to actually keep an eye on. Should, in case they go up or they come down, then you make whatever move you intend to do. You also have Learn here. Now, Learn basically teaches you what the Bamboo app is all about. You also have Profile here, which sort of shows you your withdrawal cash, your unsettled cash, reserved cash, total cash, and all of that. So you could do a lot of documents here, a lot of things on this tab. You could also deposit from here. You could also withdraw from here. Also, the Bamboo app actually has an excellent contact center. You chat these guys and they reply you on the fly. They are great guys, man. They are great guys. They respond promptly at every point in time. So now let's see how you make deposits. Once you've registered, you just click on deposit funds. Now there's a minimum deposit you can make, and the minimum deposit is $20. So if I put $10 here, for example, it shows you beneath there. You can see that it tells you that $10 is 4,817 naira 70 kobo, which automatically means a dollar is 481.77. Now, what I've noticed about the Bamboo app is the exchange rate is slightly higher than the black market rate, and that's because of they try to give room for the fluctuations you have in the currency. So if I put $10 there now and I see deposits, you see the error there. Minimum deposit is $20. So the minimum you can deposit per time is $20. And you see here, you could choose to go for the instant deposit into your wallet or 1 to 2 business days. So if you pick instant deposit, even though it tells you that what the instant deposit service is now offline, it's available Monday to Fridays, 9:30 a.m. to 6:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. every day, and that's what we see here. You could actually also go for the 1 to 2 business days, and then you click on deposit. Now, Bamboo has various ways in which you can deposit into your wallet, into your Bamboo wallet. So you see here, you could use your debit or credit card. You could do a direct transfer to the bank, your dollar card, from internet banking. You see all of that there, and you see the fees there. Like if I was to use my debit card right now, you see the fee there. It's 134.90. As you see that's the breakdown basically. 134 naira 90 kobo. Now you see a direct transfer from your bank account to Bamboo's bank account is a fee of 150 naira only. Now there are cases where you have to just look at it, which one pays you, so you don't find yourself making more payments. In this case, if I was to make $20, it's easier for me to use my debit card than to use a bank transfer, because debit card obviously is cheaper. People call me Baba Jebu, so what can I do? All right, so that's basically it. So if you select your debit or credit card, it takes you to a third-party website, and that's RavePay. So you just simply enter or you input your card details and then simply say pay. So that's about it. It's fantastic and easy to use, really. This app is actually lovely. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll be uploading more videos showing you exactly which stocks I'm watching and which stocks I am buying. Please like this video, as this will help a lot with the YouTube algorithm to reach more people. Above all, please share this video, as this video might help someone that is desperately in need of this kind of information and content. Also, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. Invest safe. My name is Oshin, and I'm not a financial advisor.